Today's video is all about the top 5 waterproof action cameras, and we're excited to share our thoughts with you all. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. If you're in need of a reliable and versatile action camera, look no further than the Akeso Brave 4 Pro. With its innovative dual-color screen design, you can easily switch between back and front views, allowing you to capture the perfect shot every time. The vivid front screen also satisfies your selfie needs, while the 2-inch back touchscreen provides convenient and user-friendly navigation. But it's not just about the display. This action camera is capable of shooting stunning 4K 30fps videos and capturing pro-quality photos with its 20MP clarity. No matter how challenging the conditions are, the built-in electronic image stabilization, EIS, 2.0 with a 6-axis gyroscope ensures that your footage stays stable even when the camera is tilted, moved, or shaken. Speaking of challenging conditions, the Akeso Brave 4 Pro is waterproof down to an impressive depth of 131 feet with its included waterproof case. So whether you're exploring underwater environments or facing extreme weather conditions, this camera can handle it all. To further enhance your audio experience, this action camera also supports an external microphone that captures sound from all directions with crisp details. Please note that third-party external mics won't work, so be sure to get the Akeso external mic for optimal performance, mic not included. The Akeso Brave 4 Pro combines advanced features with durability and reliability, making it the perfect companion for your adventurous endeavors. Introducing the GoPro Hero 12 Black, the ultimate action camera for capturing all your adrenaline-pumping adventures. With its incredible 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video resolution, you'll experience a whole new level of image quality that's 91% better than 4K and a mind-blowing 665% better than 1080p. Plus, with high dynamic range (HDR) technology, your videos and photos will have true-to-life colors and stunning precision, even in challenging lighting conditions. But it doesn't stop there. The Hero 12 Black comes with the Emmy Award-winning HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization, which guarantees insanely smooth footage that will leave you speechless. Whether you're biking, skating, skiing, or simply chasing your kids through the park, every shot will come out silky smooth. And let's not forget about the amazing features like live streaming, webcam mode, and waterproof design. With live streaming, you can share your adventures in real time with your friends and family wherever you are. The webcam mode allows you to use your Hero 12 Black as a high-quality webcam for all your virtual meetings. With its 27MP photos and the ability to extract stunning photos up to 24.7MP from your videos using the GoPro Quik app, you'll never miss a single detail of your favorite moments. Get ready to take your action shots to a whole new level with the GoPro Hero 12 Black. It's time to unleash your inner adventurer. If you're an adventure enthusiast or a content creator looking to capture every exciting moment in stunning detail, then the GoPro Hero 9 Black is the perfect action camera for you. With its 5K video resolution, you can shoot breathtaking footage that maintains incredible detail even when zooming in. Not only does it excel in video quality, but it also delivers pro-quality 20MP photos with SuperPhoto, which automatically optimizes the image processing for you. Navigation and control are made effortless with the larger rear touchscreen and a new front display. Framing your shots and accessing camera settings has never been easier. Plus, with its live streaming capabilities in 1080p and built-in webcam functionality, you can share your adventures on social media or conduct professional online meetings with exceptional clarity. Thanks to HyperSmooth 3.0, the GoPro Hero 9 Black provides the ultimate smoothness in video stabilization, ensuring your footage looks professional and steady even during intense action sequences. Time Warp 3.0 allows you to record mesmerizing time-lapse scenes while on the move. With its rugged build and waterproof design, the Hero 9 Black is ready to handle any challenging environment you throw at it. It can withstand even the gnarliest conditions and is waterproof down to 33 feet straight out of the box. So whether you're capturing your extreme sports achievements or creating stunning content, the GoPro Hero 9 Black is your reliable companion that delivers exceptional performance and durability. Looking for a versatile and accessible camera? Look no further than the Polaroid IS-048. This waterproof action camera is perfect for capturing all your underwater adventures, as it can be fully submersible up to 10 feet. It's also a great choice for beginners and kids, with user-friendly features that make it suitable for photographers of any age. Built tough and rugged, this camera comes with an included protective cover to ensure it can withstand any adventure, whether you're swimming, snorkeling, or exploring on dry land. With its 16MP photo quality and ability to shoot HD videos, the Polaroid IS-048 is a reliable point-and-shoot camera that doesn't compromise on performance. Ready to capture memories that will last a lifetime? Choose the Polaroid IS-048. If you're in the market for an affordable action camera that doesn't compromise on quality, look no further than the Vemont Action Camera. This compact camera packs a punch with its full HD 1080p resolution, ensuring that every adventure is captured in stunning detail at up to 30 frames per second. Whether you're snorkeling, surfing, or engaged in any water sport, the high-quality waterproof case allows you to dive up to 30 m/98 feet deep, giving you the freedom to record all your underwater escapades. The included mounting accessories make it a breeze to attach the camera to your helmet, bicycle, surfboard, car, or any other object for endless creative shots. With a long-life rechargeable battery that offers up to 90 minutes of continuous recording time and a convenient 2-inch LCD screen for real-time display, you'll never miss a moment of your favorite sports. Plus, with a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, you can trust in Vemont's commitment to excellent customer service. Get ready to capture your adventures like never before with the Vemont Action Camera. There is always a lot to think about when making an informed purchase, but hopefully we've given you the confidence to take the next step. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.